to the Saab channel. Appreciate you guys tuning in for this quick little discovery that is being made in the Saab circles. And it relates to this switch right here. Could it be? Apparently, this, I don't know if this one definitely does not work, but there's a little green bulb in here that's supposed to light up along with the rest of the dash. So let's go ahead and just show you how to do that. Indeed, I've looked at some in junkyard cars. Actually, what all you do is you just pull this thing out and very carefully there we go. Pop out. Now some of these fog light switches are going to want to pop out with it too. But you can see it's just one big plug on the back. Okay, sorry, that took two hands. I don't think that thing's been apart since 1999, but all it is on the back right here. You have a little bulb that is kind of pinch. I'm making it look harder than it is. It's really just a couple little tabs. Doing everything one-handed is what makes it look hard. And there is the bulb. Just a little tiny guy. I'd say definitely burnt out. It's just a if you look at the Sylvania numbers, it's a 2721. We're going with the long life this time around. So just a quick video, but something neat that I found is replacing this little guy will actually get your switch to light up, as most people don't realize there's a bulb in there. So shout out to all those of you on Saab Owners North America that first discovered that, and here I am just following the crowd. If you're not on Saab Owners North America as a subscriber to this channel, I highly recommend you do it. If you're here in the US or Canada, Mexico, hop on there and stay tuned to kind of the latest Saab happenings. If you're not in the North American region and you are abroad, we appreciate you keeping the Saab brand alive in Europe and elsewhere. But for those of you that are here local, definitely look at, in addition to this channel, the Facebook page, Saab Owners North America, and you can find out little neat tricks like I'm finding out. So once you replace the bulb, just pop it back into this switch and plugs in, pops right back in. It's that simple. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more.